complicate the cleanup after the wind damage that many communities saw today. High wind took down trees and power lines, and at this property in New Hampshire, a huge maple tree nearly cut the home in half. Since that time, crews have been at work restoring power and clearing some of those massive branches. WBZ's Katie Brace is out tracking the damage tonight. She picks up our live coverage in Norfolk. Katie?
And Lisa, the high winds took down this pine tree that's roughly 100 years old, and this ridge right here shows that it has been hit by lightning within the past 2 decades. And it's damaged trees like this that took the brunt of the wind today and caused problems. This was one of 20 crews Tree Tech of Foxborough had responding to tree emergencies.
We got flooded today.
Wind gusts reached 50 to 60 miles per hour in spots.
Anywhere probably towards 30 miles an hour, and you know, you're walking around and you just know it. All of a sudden it's like, oh, it's going to go down. In
New Boston, New Hampshire, a 75-foot maple tree nearly cut a house in half. Peter Clark lives next door.
I looked out the window and instantly saw the hole in the roof and said, wow, I was like, that's amazing.
No one was home at the time. The owner and her daughter had just moved in, and most of their stuff is still packed in boxes.
It was more like an explosion.
Trees down caused problems across the area, including for these homeowners in Keene. This tree blocked Autumn Avenue in Duxbury. Canton, Holliston, and Rutland dealt with their share. The winds uprooted this large tree in Salem, Mass. Kevin Cleveland is a Massachusetts certified arborist. He says don't be too quick to blame the drought for any of that.
The drought we've had over the last few years will have a long-lasting effect on these trees, and future damage could occur, mostly due to more outbreak with insect and disease.
Thursday's winds took down trees that have long been in trouble.
Weak points of attachment. We're seeing heavy trees that weren't pruned in the past. We're seeing old lightning damage. We saw a lot of big stuff fail today, and you know, luckily so far, you know, I haven't heard anybody getting hurt.
And crews will be back tomorrow to finish cleaning up this particular tree. And Cleveland says truly watch the oaks and the pines. They are starting to show the early effects of having too little water. Reporting live in Rentham, Katie Brace, WBZ News.
Katie, thank you.